Good morning, students. Hope you have understood till non-contact force. That topic we have completed, and so let us begin the chapter with our new topic, that is pressure. Students, if I'll say you that stand 20 minutes on your toe, अंगूठे पे आप 20 minutes खड़े हो जाइए. Can we able to stand 20 minutes? No. We will get pain in our toe. If I'll say you stand on one leg 2 hours, एक पैर पे खड़े हो जाइए 2 घंटे. Will you be able to stand on one leg or 1 feet for 2 hours? No. Again you will get pain in your leg. And if I'll say you that stand properly, yes. Now if you will say me that stand for 4 hours, 6 hours, yes we can. After that we feel pain in our leg. Why this is happening? What is the reason behind this? So, see. This all is due to pressure. So, first of all, we have to understand what is pressure. Pressure is a word that has came from press. किसी चीज को दबाना, प्रेस करना, किसी चीज के ऊपर दबाव डालना. That means press. So pressure has came from press. And when we are able to press, when we apply force, where we will apply force? Naturally on certain area. If I am applying force on this pen marker, that means on this area I am applying force. So the two things we have got to identify pressure, which two things we have to apply force and on certain area. So what is pressure? Pressure is force exerted per unit area of surface of an object. So pressure is denoted by P. P के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? यही तो चीज ना, फोर्स एंड एरिया. नाउ नो नीड टू रिमेम्बर, अपने आप आपको सब याद हो जाएगा. फोर्स एरिया पर यूनिट एरिया, दैट मीन्स फोर्स by area. This we can write as force by area. This is per unit area. Means एक unit area में जितना force apply हो, that is known as pressure. So students, then naturally whenever we are studying physical quantity, हम लोग के दिमाग में तुरंत आता है कि हम किस चीज़ से इसको measure करेंगे, from what unit we will measure it. So simply you see, if you are taking a SI unit of force, then it is Newton. If you are taking SI unit of SI unit of area, तो area क्या होता है? Length into breadth. So what? Meter into meter. So it is meter square. Directly I am writing. So we can write Newton per meter square. But this pressure has been found by the scientist named Blaise Pascal. So Pascal, he has given the SI unit by his name only. So what is the SI unit of pressure? अब आज के बाद आप प्रेशर का SI यूनिट लिखेंगे पास्कल, short form PA or only P you will write it. So hope student you have understood this one. So student, next come for conclusion. What conclusion we are getting? Conclusion. So what conclusion? किसका conclusion हम निकालेंगे? प्रेशर का. We know the formula of pressure P is equal to F by A. By this formula, what you are understanding? हमें क्या समझ में आया? इससे क्या निष्कर्ष निकला? So first of all, you see, pressure is directly proportional. Pressure is directly proportional to force. स्टूडेंट अब ये डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल क्या होता है? सो द सिंबल ऑफ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल यू विल राइट प्रेशर इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू फोर्स. दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. प्रोपोर्शन आप मैथ्स में पढ़े होंगे ना, रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन. कितने प्रोपोर्शन में कौन बढ़ता है उसी हिसाब से आगे चलेंगे. सो हियर यू सी, इफ फोर्स इंक्रीजेस डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल, यानी डायरेक्ट फोर्स का जो इफेक्ट होगा वो डायरेक्ट होगा. दैट मीन्स फोर्स इंक्रीजेस, प्रेशर इंक्रीजेस, फोर्स डिक्रीजेस, प्रेशर ऑल्सो डिक्रीजेस. इसका डायरेक्ट असर इस पे पड़ रहा है. डायरेक्ट इफेक्टिव इम्पैक्ट इज फॉलोइंग ऑन द प्रेशर. सो यू हैव सीन, इफ फोर्स इंक्रीजेस प्रेशर इंक्रीजेस, इफ फोर्स डिक्रीजेस प्रेशर डिक्रीजेस. यानी डायरेक्ट इसका असर इसके ऊपर, डायरेक्ट फोर्स का असर प्रेशर के ऊपर, दैट इज ओनली नोन एज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. तो हमें एक चीज मिला यहाँ से. फर्स्ट कंक्लूजन वी हैव गॉट. What for second conclusion? What we are getting for second one? Second one, you see, I am writing pressure is inversely proportional to area. Pressure is if I have written 1 by area, that means it is inverse. So now this symbol is indicating inversely proportional. I think you will not get confused. आपको दोनों एक ही जैसे लग रहा होगा, लेकिन यहाँ 1 बाई हो गया, दैट मीन्स इनवर्स हो गया. यहाँ कोई बाई में नहीं था तो डायरेक्ट था. सो नाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड प्रेशर इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एरिया. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इनवर्स उल्टा, उल्टा असर इसके ऊपर पड़ रहा है, इनवर्स इफेक्ट इसके ऊपर पड़ रहा है. कैसे? नाउ यू सी, इफ यू इंक्रीज द एरिया pressure will decreases, and if you decrease the area pressure will increases. See, उल्टा असर पड़ा ना इस पे. तो जो उल्टा इफेक्ट डाल रहा है, इनवर्स इफेक्ट डाल रहा है, those who are giving inverse effect, that is known as inversely proportional. So two conclusion we have got from the formula of pressure. By following these two conclusion, you will see there are so many examples. Let me show you few examples related to this. So see students, I have taken a knife. This knife has two parts, one sharp part and another blunt one. I have taken a carrot. Now, just now I have told you that pressure is inversely proportional to area. Means if area will be more, it will be difficult to cut, but if area will be less, it exerts more pressure and easily we can cut. So see students, first of all I am applying the blunt side, and when I am applying the blunt side to cut this carrot, I am unable to cut it. Just see, I am unable to cut it. So what happens? Area increases and pressure decreases. Why pressure decreases? Then what you are understanding? As area increases, force exerted on each point will decrease. And as force exerted on each point will decrease, pressure decreases. Student, very simple. Suppose in a class 20 students are there, and our principal has given a toffee to distribute among all the students, and ma'am has given 40 toffee. then naturally each student will get 2 toffee, 20 students. But suppose today this was the attendance कि 20 बच्चे हैं और 40 टॉफ़ी देने हैं, और tomorrow when we came to the school, मैम हैज़ गिवन अगेन 40 टॉफ़ी कि आप बच्चों के बीच में बांट दीजिए, और उस दिन क्या हो गया कि 40 स्टूडेंट्स आ गए. Does each student will get same toffee? No. Number of student increases, that means each student will get less one toffee, so every individual will get one toffee. So here also area increases, at each point force exerted decreases, and so pressure decreases. But what happens to sharp side? Sharp side area decreases, at each point force exerted increases. So see, easily I am able to cut this and see. So area decreases, pressure increases. One more example, students, I am showing you. What is this? Inflated balloon. Now if I say you कि अब आप इस बलून को फोड़ दीजिए अपने हाथों से, and if you apply force like this, does this balloon able to burst? No. We have to apply more pressure, then only this balloon able to burst. Then what we should do, if I take this pin, see this, I have taken a pin, tips of the pin, I think you are able to seeing this safety pin, and the tip of the pin. Now you see, tip of the pin, what is the area? Very less, negligible area. And if I'll apply a little bit, I'll touch it, see, it has burst. That means less area, more pressure, work has been done easily. And when I was pressing the balloon with my palm, area of both this palm increases, so pressure decreases, and I am unable to do that. Simply students, camel को देखिए, वो desert में easily they are walking, but camel is heavier than us. But have you seen that camel feet is larger than ours feet? So what happens, as camel feet is larger than ours feet, so more area, camel exert less pressure in the sand, so they sink less. But अगर हम लोग चलने लगेंगे, when we start moving, our area of the feet is less, so whatever pressure we are exerting, that will be more pressure, and then we sink more deep inside, and then we are unable to walk easily on the desert or sand. Student, you are having a very common experience of your school bag. The strips of the school bag you have seen, it's broader one. It's not the narrow one. So what happens? Broader means more area. As the more area, less pressure. So less pressure will be exerted on your back of your book and copy, whatever you are just holding in that bag. So student, we have got that if area increases, pressure decreases. If area decreases, pressure increases. So up to here only today.